Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog, Yorme23. How are you today? Still fine? Very good. Take care. This is Philippines Duty Free. Hello to all my friends in Dubai. Mark, shoutout ka sa Al-Maktoum. Hello guys, shoutout to all Ship C, Ship A, Ship B, Ship C, Ship D. Happy off sa inyo dyan. Ingat kayo dyan guys. Hello to my big boss, Boss Sanjay. How are you today? Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan, Ma'am Nelly, Ma'am Agnes. Stay safe, stay healthy always. Okay? Take care. My sister, Karen Castillo and Alan Adalin. This is Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Arrivals. Ginagawa nyo rin yan. Terminal 3. Hello to all Emirates Airline and Marhaba and Dinata. Stay safe. Take care. Shout out to Christian Electromechanical Works based in Philippines. My favorite food, mango number 1. Saan po kayo sa atin, sir?
Marikina daw siya. Marikina siya. Anak niya sa MRB.
Hello to all my friends in Dubai Duty Free. Paring Albert, Sandro, Cooks, Papa Kent, Christopher Pescador, Ron Chua, Batang Cavite, Dominic Solis, my roommate, Louie ng Chanel, Dan Badagwas ng Terminal 2, Joen ng Bulgari, Loverboy, Katropang Miguel, Estong TV, AI Duo, Paring Lester, Ernest Sisley, Reggie Armani, Melvin Tubleron, Paring Carlos, Marilyn ng Peregamo, Menjil, Katrina Sisley, Saint Matt, Barry ng Samsonite, Ron Keremit ng Electronics, Danny, Amin, Joheb, Mohammed, Sir Walid, Sir Sushil, Sir Bench. Stay safe always.
Saan may makuha sa bangko mo?
Take care. Enjoy your life.
Pinasok mo kung anong account niya ihulog, doon niya ihulog yun.
Ay, ganun.
Assalamualaikum. HR Kabir Mudir, Boss Yusuf. Stay safe, stay healthy always, boss. Shout out sa'yo, Joseph Adalin Concentrex Company. Shout out sa'yo, John Criston aka Tom Cruise.
Bakit kaya nauso ang call center no? Dati wala naman yun.
Agaga, umuwi na yun eh.
How are you, Dubai?
Kapatid din kasi yung pizza ng asawa.
Good morning, Dubai! Welcome to Philippines! Shout out to all OFW, especially UAE. Shout out to all staff, Box Pro, Parma. Stay safe. Take care.
Binayaran nila terrorist sa lagayan niya. Pag cremate ka kasi, hanggang 6 na cremate pwede ilagay. Puro cremate din dapat.
Guys, don't forget, subscribe Yorme23. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay? Enjoy your life. Guys, Jollibee in Philippines. Sobrang haba ng pila.
Dito, ayun o, traffic na naman dyan sa kabila o. Sumasagot siya ate ah.
Biyahe natin eh. Forma yung jeep po. Wala maangas yung ano niya.
Diretso na yun, yung mas may in. Hindi tayo mapasok.
Dyan.
Yun, diretso.
Yeah.
Pasok tayo dyan. Load naman yun. Dito kami dumadaan, pag pupunta kami dyan palagi. Boundary kasi. Flag! Cord lang.
Oo.
Yun rin, sasalpak mo lang sa cord.
Hindi, sasapak mo yun doon sa
Finally,
ano.
I'm home.
Doon sa ano.
Puta, magnetic din ah.
Ayan.
Magnetic din.
Long time travel. Guys, it's around 3 hours and a half airport to house of my sister. Guys, let's eat. Buko pie and coffee.
Lutot mo.
This is the house of my sister, son of my sister, Tintin, Christopher, and Tonton. This is my house, my sister, Karen Castillo.
Miss ka mga isang ka lang kuya. Ipang isang ka lang kuya. Ito, isang na po kuya mo. Ito ba yung birthday?
Adams, how are you? My grandson, Adam, my granddaughter, AC, and Tambits. Hello, Tambits. How are you? How are you in Dubai? Say, how are you in Dubai? Tambits, say, how are you in Dubai?
I'm good.
Very good. Essie! Where is your chocolate? Give me. Give me. Give me one, please.
Give Lolo one.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Essie.
Is she going to bite you? You can hug her.
Adams, how are you? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy Tonton? Adams. What?
Let's play ball.
Kalbo? Ito alam kalbo?
Kuya, how are you? How are you? Are you okay? How are you?
Burger ka sa akin.
Are you okay, burger?
Burger ka sa akin.
May laya?
Kaya na kayo.
Yung duwata. Pagkating ko sa bata, kamuha ng duwata.
Boy, sa helmet mo, boy.
Number 1, your name.
Hello, Dubai Duty Free. Please subscribe, follow YourMed23. Thank you. God bless.
Ayun ba yun?
Di ba nag-game mo? Game ba yan?
Hindi, Universidad ng Manila yun. University of Manila. Okay ba yun? Okay yun. Yung Universidad ng Manila, yung malapit sa ano, di ba? Sa New York.
Sabi mo kay Abing.
Sa New York, sa ako kahit alam. Thank you ka na, Alvin eh. Hindi ka pa ng thank you eh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What did you say?
Ay, pabibili ko sa ano.
Thank you,
Guys, how are you?
Alvin.
Welcome.
Kano ba dyan kayo?
Guys, thank you for watching. Maasalam.